Good morning to all my students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to our GK class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 3, Ancient Architectures. Do you know what is architecture? Architecture is the art and science of the design of structures or buildings. The given ancient architectures are built without modern technology and machinery. Ancient means old. Now, some pictures and descriptions of the architectures are given below. We have to identify and write their names. Okay? Now, see the first picture. It's look like a tower. है ना? Do you know what is a tower? A tower is a tall, narrow building. Okay? Now see the first clue given here. This is a national monument of Spain, built 1900 years ago. It is 55 meter tall and located in Galicia, Spain. Situated in Galicia, Spain. It is an ancient lighthouse even in use today. Do you know what is lighthouse? Lighthouse is a built near the sea. Lighthouse is a built near the sea. The main purpose of the lighthouse is to serve as a navigational aid. What do you mean by navigational aid? To show directions to the navigators or to show directions to the ships and also to warn boats of dangerous areas. Okay, and also to warn boats of dangerous areas. Okay, and what is the name of this architecture? The name of this architecture is Tower of Hercules. Tower of Hercules. Okay. Now see the second picture. It is the first UNESCO heritage site of Iran. What is the full form of UNESCO? United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It seeks to building peace through international cooperation. Okay. It is a famous temple of Iran built in 1250 BC. Famous temple of Iran. Although it is 3000 years old and it is still in good condition. Now still is in good condition. And what is the name of this architecture? The name of this architecture is Chogha Zonbil. Chogha Zonbil. Okay. Now look at the third picture. This is the largest stupa located at Anuradhapura in Sri Lanka. Situated at Anuradhapura in Sri Lanka. Do you know what is stupa? Stupa is a dome-shaped structure erected as a Buddhist shrine. Stupa is a dome-shaped structure erected as a Buddhist shrine. Okay. It is one of the tallest structures of the ancient times. Tallest means having greater than ordinary height. Okay. The height of this stupa is 122 meter. And what is the name of this architecture? Zatwana Dagoba. Zatwana Dagoba. Okay. Now see the last picture. This is one of the important Buddhist temples in Southeast Asia. This temple is situated in Southeast Asia. Okay. It is also a very important heritage site of Vietnam. Heritage site means historical site. Okay. So it is the very important historical site of Vietnam. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian country. The towers of this temple date back to the 4th century. Date back means a certain time in the past. Okay, and what is the name of this architecture? The name of this architecture is Temple of My Sun. Temple of My Sun. Okay. Now let us move on our next chapter. Chapter number 4, various studies. Here some various strange studies are given. So what we will do this? We will match the following strange studies with the subject they deal with. Okay. Now see the first word. First word is pomology. What is pomology? Pomology is the study of science that deals with fruit and fruit growing. So where is the picture of fruit growing? Picture of G is fruit growing picture. Okay. So in this box we can write G. Okay. Now look at the second word. Second word is gelatology. What is gelatology? Gelatology is the study of laughter. So where is the picture of laughing? Picture of A is laughing picture. Okay. So in this box we can write A. Okay. Now look at the third word. Third word is teratology. What is teratology? Teratology is the study of monsters. Okay. So where is the picture of monsters? Picture of H is monster picture. So in this box we can write H. Okay. Now look at the fourth word. Fourth word is fromology. What is fromology? Fromology is the study of cheese. So where is the picture of cheese? Picture of C is cheese picture. Okay. So in this box we can write C. Okay. Now look at the next word. Next word is garbology. What is garbology? Garbology is the study of community or culture by analysis its waste. Okay. So where is the picture of garbage or rubbish? Picture of I is garbage picture. So in this box we can write I. Okay. In this box we can write I. Okay. Next word. Next word is Egyptology. What is Egyptology? Egyptology is the study of culture of ancient Egypt. Okay. We can find mummies in Egypt. So where is the picture of mummies? Picture of B is mummy's picture. So in this box we can write B. Okay. Now look at the next word. Next word is dragonology. What is dragonology? Dragonology is the study of dragons. So where is the picture of dragons? Picture of E is dragon's picture. So in this box we can write E. Okay. Now look at the next word. Next word is wormology. What is wormology? Wormology is the study of worms. Okay, wormology is the study of worms. So where is the picture of worms? Picture of F is worms picture. Okay, so in this box we can write F. Okay, in this box we can write F. Now the next word. Next word is hypnology. What is hypnology? Hypnology is the study of sleeping. So where is the picture of sleeping? Picture of D is sleeping picture. Okay. So in this box we can write D. Okay. In this box we can write D. Now the last word. Last word is nephology. What is nephology? Nephology is the study of cloud and cloud formation. Okay. So where is the picture of clouds? Picture of J is clouds picture. Okay. So in this box we can write J. Okay. I hope you all are understood these chapters and try to learn these chapters. Thank you. Stay happy. Stay safe.